Hello. I'm excited to introduce my new book about the FIDE exam in French. This comprehensive resource includes 12 practice tests for B1 and A2 levels, 6 practice tests for A1 level, complete answer keys for every test. You can use this book for self-study or with the guidance of a teacher. If you're preparing for the FIDE exam, you know how little material is currently available. That's why I've created this book. In addition to test models, you'll find practical tips on what to say and how to structure your answers to pass the exam, useful phrases for making phone calls and describing images, a list of common mistakes to avoid. Everything you need to succeed is right here. And if you'd like extra support, I also offer private lessons to help you prepare effectively. You'll find the links to learn French with me and to purchase the book below this video. See you soon and best of luck with your exam preparation.